sharp political face-off has erupted in Tamil Nadu ahead of the assembly polls, with the DMK taking on TVK chief Vijay over his recent church visit. DMK MP P. Wilson has slammed Vijay's visit to St. Anthony Church in Tiruchirappalli, calling it a pre-election photo op and questioning the actor politician's timing. In a strongly worded attack, Wilson accused Vijay of maintaining silence on key issues affecting the Christian community over the past 2 years, including alleged church attacks, arrest of priests and the FCRA amendment row. Escalating his criticism, Wilson invoked biblical imagery, comparing Vijay's actions to a Judas-like betrayal and warning against what he described as false messaging ahead of the polls. The remarks have triggered a war of words in the state, with the DMK questioning Vijay's secular credential as political temperatures rise in Tamil Nadu. I'm being joined by my colleague Thoyajakshi Shekhar for more on this. Thoyajakshi, the political temperature in Tamil Nadu is running high, with DMK taking fresh attack on TVK's chief Vijay over his recent church visit.
Well, of course, Nancy, not only DMK Rajya Sabha MP P. Wilson has hit out on Vijay's campaign which happened in Tirchi. That is one of his flag, and he's projecting himself that he is a party candidate from that constituency. But as far as it's concerned, where the party leaders from the CPM is urging the election commission to take a strict action against Vijay and to file a case against Vijay on these matters, where it is also said that yesterday Vijay, who was campaigning in Tirchi East, that is one of the constituency that he would be contesting from, where as a part of campaign he has also gone and visited temple, church and mosque at the same time, where he has also gone to the mosque. He has prayed in the mosque. He has also gone to the temple, and he has also gone to the church, where he is wearing a party symbol, and it is also projecting that he is completely violating the rules of elections model code of conduct. But now that the party leaders, the opposition party leaders, who are claiming that and urging the election commission to file the case and to take strict action, because you just see that it is just 2 days away for the Tamil Nadu going into polls on the 23rd of April, Nancy.
That's right. Thoyajakshi, I just wanted you to share some insight on, do you think that now Vijay is reaching out to the minority, as you have correctly pointed it out? Do you think that he can expand that outreach while having no track record of the issues that these minority states face? He has not been involved in the state politics as of now. It's his debut. Do you think that his minority outreach program will benefit him?
Well, definitely, because as of Tirchi East is concerned, when we talk about the constituency wise, it's completely a community based region, as well as it is a completely working class community based region, where it might not reach out about the religious side. It might not reach out whatever Vijay is trying to do. But on the other hand, it may also go on to the face value that he's been having. As you know that Vijay is an actor for the last 30 years. He's been acting in films for the last 30 years. So the crowd that he's been pulling out from Tirchi East and Perambur, that is another constituency that he would be contesting from Chennai's Perambur. There are several community-based votes, as well as working class community as well. But especially when you talk about Tirchi East, where Vijay is actually contesting from, and he has been participating in these kind of events where he is going and visiting temple, he's going and visiting church and mosque. Definitely, this will have a kind of an impact, because since I'm talking about religion, there are, the communities in Tirchi East who are mainly looking out for someone who is giving more importance to the community-based Nancy.
Thank you so much, Thoyajakshi, for joining me on the broadcast. For now, political temperature in Tamil Nadu continue to rise.